Kullanmış ahad.
Today is the 15th day of the Advent calendar, and it's random lift towards time. Today's place is the awesome marketing square in Tranquility City. This is an epic 1970s building, but sadly it has been refurbished. But oh well, we never got to see before it was refurbished. Anyways, but it still is an epic building. It is amazing 1970s Hitachi lifts, because that's what all of the lifts in this building are. Anyways, first to the main low-rise lifts, which go from the second floor up to the 13th floor. And also, all of the lifts in this place stop at a little mezzanine, which you'll find out later on what there it is. I apologize if I said that the low-rise list highest floor was 13, because I figured out when editing that the highest floor in the low-rise list was actually 12. Anyways, now to the high-rise list. These go from the 13th to the 24th floors. And they also stop at the little mezzanine, which you'll find out later on what there it is. You'll find out in a moment. And now, let's ride the service lift, which is inside some awesome, epic, touch-sensitive buttons.